Okay, let's start again. Good afternoon, everyone. I would like to present my final project now. However, before I start, I would like to ask you to imagine this follow situation. Imagine that you decide to make a grandma banana recipe, banana bread recipe, sorry, and you check all the ingredients and you don't have the bananas. You decide you need to buy, but you don't want to buy a expensive banana and you don't want to spend a lot of money on bananas. So what you can do, you can go in every store and check the price and decide where it's the cheapest one, or you can go to my website and check that. Okay, so in my website, this is my website by the way, you can go to the search page and you can click on bananas and you need to do a login, sorry, before that. Sorry. So you can go to my website and check the price of the banana. And here we will find all the stores that have banana and also all the price. You will see that the banana is um, sorry, you see the price here and the prices are in ascending order. So the first line will be the cheapest one and the last line will be the expensive one. And you can decide, okay, I want to buy online, for example. You can go to our homepage and go to the store that you want to buy and click here, and this will let you go to the web page of that store and you can buy there. Also, I would like to share uh, the how you can use my website in different ways. So first, let's do our registration here as a new user, okay? So if you are new in my web page, you can register as a new user and you need to put your username, your first name, your last name, your email, and also your password. And you click in the register button and we'll go to home page. In this page, you will see, of course, the stores, our contacts, and also you can go to the search page. In the search page, you will see all the products there and you can check, for example, the bananas, because we are talking about the bananas. We will see all the products here and we can check others kind of products that's kind of similar, right? Because fruits are vegetables, so we can click in the carrots and we will see like the stores that now has carrots, and we can click blueberries and we'll see what is there. We can go to the become a vendor page. However, we are not logging as a vendor, so we will get this message and we will need to log out and register as a vendor if we want to see the page as a vendor, okay, or if we want to become a vendor. We can add products here if we were a vendor, but we are not a vendor, so we will see this message and we can try to go to admin page, but we need to log in as admin. So let's back to the website and change our stats, okay? If you go login out, we can see all the page again. If you are not logging, we will see only this page. We can click here, but we are not able to see the prices and the stores. We need to have a login. We can go to the become a vendor, and in this case, we can do our registration here. I'll back there in 1 second. And we can go to this page, and we also need to have a login. The admin page is the same thing. So when we are not logged, log, when we didn't do our login, we will have a lot page where we don't have the permission to see. If you we want to, we are a vendor and we want to put our products there, we need to do our registration. So let's create a new vendor here, and we need to create a 1 second, password, and we can save it here. We can use this button to remember me if we want, and we can click here, and this will go to the vendor admin page. In this page we will see this message because we don't have any product yet. We are new in this page, so we can add new product using this button or using this button. Okay, it's the same if we come here, or if we come here will be the same. We can go here and we will see this page. We don't have any products. Go and add new products. So we can go and add a new product here. Let's put the banana. Oh, we need to choose the category. So it's fruits and vegetables because it's banana. We put banana and we put the price here, and we submit it. Now we will see all the products there, actually only the product that we put now, and we can add a new one, or we can go to our page again and see what is there. So if we come here, we can click in the banana and we can see all the bananas and all the price, and compare the price that we just did the update, and see the other stores price as well. I can log out now and I show to you my admin page what is look like. Okay, if we go here, we can see all the users. Right now we can see our new user here, right? And we also can see our vendor. The vendor is marked as staff. That was the way that I found to give permissions to access the page. And we can go to categories, and now we have only 4 categories. If we want, we can add new categories, for example, meat, and we can use this log meat because it's easier, and we can put number 5 to order because we have only 5 categories right now. So we also can go to the vendors and see the vendors here. And the products as well. The products has the vendor and the price. We will have a lot of products. However, some of them are the same. For example, banana. In every store here has banana, and here we will find the price of the banana in every store. Okay, so 1 second. Okay, uh, this is my website. I think everyone noticed that I am using a public IP. This is because I'm hosting the website right now on AWS. I'm using the EC2 instance, and you can see here I have only one instance that is running my website. It's working, right? And I can connect my website using the command line interface. Oh, 1 second, guys. I can. Oh, I don't know why. Okay, I need to connect. I can go here. Let me put it here. Okay, I can connect here using this, and by using the command line interface, I can let me clear up a little here, only to you to see. If I put, for example, see the final project, we will see everything that is in my final project right now, all the apps and the database is here. And I am using the Tmux right now to run the project. So we can see here how all the assets that I have. So if I want to stop running, I can do that. And I can start running again my process. And I can go out and close my terminal and it is still running. Okay, this was my project. However, I would like to highlight that right now, this is only a prototype that I want to work on more. I wish to explore more AWS and see what I can do with RDS, storage, and CloudFront and the Road 53. I know I can use, but I didn't explore enough. So right now I only use EC2. I tried to connect my database using RDS, but I have some problems, so I back to database SQLite. And also, I would like to say that this website is only a prototype, so I don't have real data right now. But I wish to have a real data, and I wish to have this working. So I will continue work after this presentation, and I hope I can finish and make this very functional and very helpful for people who want to save money and know where they can buy the products. Also, I want to let the people make their profile and have like a list of their favorite products, for example, so they always can check where they should go to save more money. And one last thing that I would like to say is thank you very much for this opportunity. Thank you, Pablo, for um, this course, and special for Joe because he really helped me. He gave me he taught me a lot, and I learned it a lot from his class. And I really appreciate this opportunity. And I would like to say thank you very much. Oh, also, if you everyone want to let me know your thoughts, what you think, how I can improve this to make more useful, please let me know. I will see what you are saying, and I will try my best to work on the ideas. Thank you. Ah, não, foi muito ruim, meu